It's Dave from Iron Blackbird Cycles. We are working on saddlebags today. Get this thing taped off, I'll show you the other side. They're gonna look like this. Hopefully you can see that. Hard to tell. We also have the side covers done. I'll show you those in a little bit. The bag lids, man, I can't think this morning. Okay, all that masking for that little bit of work. I usually stick my masking paper on the wall till I'm done with the project, because you're gonna send some waste of more paper when you don't have to. Okay. Hopefully you guys can see me. So we're doing smoke. And smoke's not really like flames, other than the fact that this smoke is being the skull's screaming through the air, so the smoke is trailing behind. Kind of looks like flames, but that's not what we're headed for here. When I'm doing smoke, I like to get one side more dominant than the other. Fade the back side in to give some depth. Let me get this other one turned around where I have to look at it so I can kind of get them close. So let's see here. I'm gonna take one. Turn it back over on itself. Bring it out, bring it back in. Okay. Bring that one out a little bit. And that looks pretty good there. Can't really see what I was doing, could you? Probably all I need to do for the white. Put some cracks in his skull there. Get that a little heavier. Okay, so put the white back in here. I gotta do some white on that other bag in a couple of spots, so I'm just gonna clean the airbrush for now and come back to this afternoon when I got some time to get to it. Still want to try to get these parts where I can get clear on today if at all possible. It's Dave from Iron Blackbird Cycles. Those are going to be ready for clear. I know that's upside down, but you get an idea. That's going to be ready for clear. We just started work on this one. And we'll be doing that and getting the tank done. And we'll be ready to get clear on this stuff this afternoon. We'll see y'all later.